So if you're new to motorbikes, or I don't know, you've had a bike for years and you've never really bought them, putting your bike up on track stands for the first time can sort of be a bit daunting. And to be honest with you, I still find it a bit daunting, because once you've got the bike upright completely and you're trying to put the rear track stand in, it can just basically fall over either direction. So it can be a bit daunting. So what we'll do is I'll grab my rear track stand quickly. And we'll just have a little go at lifting the bike up. It's quite easy. These got these little hooks on the top there, and they sit in the little bobbins that you can buy it all from any motorbike dealer. So what I do is I tend to lift the bike up, and as you saw there, the handlebars turn. So it's easier if the handlebars are straight, or straight-ish. Then it's just a case of lining those hooks up in the bobbins, like so, and then leaning on the track stand. So that's the back one. I tend to want to kick that side stand back in out of the way at that point. And the front one, same sort of thing. It might be different on your bike, but on this bike it's got these little cones that sit inside of a circular recess underneath the front forks. So just using a bit of carpet, because I have it hanging around, and then line it up with the holes and push down. And there you go. Kick my cans over, but there you go. Bike is now up on track stands. The benefit of having it up on track stands like this is obviously you can spin the wheels for cleaning or removing the wheels, for example, and it's nice and secure. So it's and it's upright. So if you, depending on what you're doing, perhaps you're cleaning the bike, perhaps you're maintaining the bike, checking the oil, for example. Now it's upright, the level will show on the sight glass. So there's lots of reasons why you might want to put it up on the track stands. And I suppose we should do it in reverse, shouldn't we? So to take it back down, very simple. We're just gonna, there we go, just gonna lower that down. And the back one, put your side stand down again, grab hold of it somewhere, lift it back up, and then lean it on the side stand. And that's it. Couldn't really be too easy. And I hope that's helped someone, because I'm sure, like me, I mean, I've been riding for many years now, but I haven't really had that many bikes that I've needed track stands for. So over the years, I've not used them very often. So it could be quite scary the first time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.